Hey guys, good morning. So you guys voted for a vlog/lifestyle video on my last video, and so that's what you're getting. So today is a week in my life vlog, and today's the first day of it. It's Monday, March 1st, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get ready for school. I already washed my face, brushed my teeth, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm just gonna do my makeup, and then we'll check back in and I'll show you my outfit. Alright guys, so don't mind my filming setup behind me, but this is my OOTD today. My jeans are from Altered State, and then my top I also believe is from Altered State. It's just a cropped rib shirt. And then this jacket is also from Altered State, and it's so cute. It's like two-tone, so you could wear it either way. But yeah, I think it's super cute. And then I just have these cute little army green earrings in, my usual ring, and just a little gold statement ring, and some bangles. So yeah, that's what we got for today. So yeah. All right, well, I am going to head off to school, and I'll see you when I get there. All right, guys, so I just got to school, and I'll see you guys when I get out. Bye. All right, guys, so I just got home from school, and I'm tired as ever, like every other high school kid that gets home from school. Luckily, I don't have a last period, so I'm home, and it's 1:48. I live pretty close to the school, so it's pretty nice. But yeah, I'm gonna get all my stuff and take it inside, and then I'll fill you guys in on what the rest of the day is gonna be like. And yeah, all right, I'll see you inside. Hey guys, so we're inside. I'm at a counter in my kitchen, and I'm just gonna work on some homework that I got today. And then after that, honestly, I'll probably make a coffee, and then we'll have some fun. So after that, I have a cheer meeting to go to. So I'm a cheerleader at my high school. I'm a senior this year, so I don't actually have to try out, but the meeting is for cheerleaders and their parents who are trying out. And it kind of just like is an informational meeting for them, but I have to go and set up and help out, which will be super fun, and you'll get to meet some of my cheer friends. And then after that, my cheer friend Melanie and my other friend Olivia are gonna come over and watch The Bachelor for Bachelor Monday, you know. Oh, and I think I said it was the third in the shot this morning when I was doing makeup, but I think it's the second, just in case you were wondering. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing my homework. Alright guys, so I just finished my homework, and now I'm gonna make some coffee to wake myself up before this meeting. I still have a little while till the meeting, but I'm just gonna make some coffee. I am on the keto diet, which basically means you can't have any sugar or any carbs. My limitations are 22 grams of carbs a day, so I'm gonna use some keto things. So if some of the things I'm putting in my coffee are a little weird, that is why, because I'm trying to make the horrible coffee taste a little better. All right, what I like to use is I just use my Keurig machine, and I use the 8 o'clock, the original coffee usually. It's not too strong, but it's just right to, like, you know, get you going. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy my coffee and watch some YouTube, maybe edit some YouTube videos, and then yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm on my way to my cheer meeting. Hey guys, so it's Bachelor Monday, so my friend Olivia is over and my friend Melanie, and so we're gonna watch The Bachelor. It's a woman tell-all tonight, and we want Madison to win very, very badly, although we don't know if Peter really deserves her still, but whatever. And we hate Victoria, so if you like her, please just click off the video now. No hard feelings, but we're just not on the same
hard
journey.
feelings.
Yeah,
Sorry.
But that's okay. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, good morning. It's Tuesday and it's time to get ready for school. So far I've moisturized, primed my face, and then I've also done my eyebrows and carved out my brows. So let's just keep on moving. Here's my outfit of the day. I have this really cute sweater on with some Altered State jeans. I believe my sweater's from Old Navy. And then I just paired it with some chunky hoops, my same rings, and my same bangles from yesterday. And yeah, so that's my outfit for today. I don't have that crazy of a day, but I do need to get to school, so I'll see you guys when I get home. Bye! Hey guys, so I just got back from school, but we do have to go back really quickly because I have to tutor at study tables, which is held like after school. But yeah, so I'll either be tutoring someone or I'll just be sitting there doing my homework. So I guess we'll find out when I get there. Yeah, but I'll see you guys there. I just got back from study tables and now I'm gonna do some editing, and I'll talk to you guys when I'm done with that. Alright, so I think we should make some brownies. However, they should be keto brownies because I can't have sugar or carbs. So we have these special keto brownies by Keto & Co. and they're so good. They taste like real brownies in my opinion. So I'm here for it. Yeah, so they're 1.1 grams of net carbs. They're gluten-free, non-GMO, diabetic friendly, and they have no sugar added to them, which is a win-win for me. So we're gonna make those. I have all my ingredients here. The most important part is it has like the mix in it. I have 3 large eggs, a stick and a half of butter, a greased pan, and the KitchenAid mixer. The brownies came out so good, so I'm gonna go eat them while they're warm, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, it's Wednesday. Let's get ready for school. Alright guys, so here's my outfit today. I have this nice shirt from Dry Goods on with just like a Target tank top cami underneath. And then I have Altered State jeans on like usual. I have this pretty necklace on, some big hoops, and a bangle and a chain bracelet. I decided to do some eyeshadow today because I'm going out to dinner with some of my family tonight. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me this morning. I'll see you guys after school. Hey guys, so I just got home from school. I'm only home for a little bit. I'm gonna sit down and do a little bit of homework, and then I have a meeting for sizing my prom dress, which is super exciting. So I'm gonna go and get the bottom hemmed and just look at other things that need to be fixed, but I'm super excited for that. I've had my dress for a while, honestly. I know it's kind of crazy, but I just like found it and it was too good to pass up, so I had to get it when I saw it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to that meeting, and then after that, I'm going to dinner with my aunt and my cousin and my mom, and we're gonna go to Town Hall downtown. I'm really excited because they have a lot of keto options, and I hear that they have fried chicken, but keto fried chicken, so I'm super excited. So I hope that's really good, but I'll take you guys along with us, so that'll be super fun. Yeah, so that's pretty much what the rest of my day looks like. But yeah, I hope you guys find this vlog somewhat interesting. I am just a normal high school girl who does normal high school girl things. I don't really have anything too eventful. Like I said, I'm a cheerleader, but all that just ended. Tomorrow you'll go with me to my awards banquet, which would be cool. But that's really like all I got going right now. I'm on the mock trial team at my school, and that's done. So yeah, everything's kind of winding down. There's like 18 or 17 days till spring break, so I'm super pumped for that. We're going to Mexico, so let me know if you guys want to see a travel vlog because I would love to film. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the way to my sizing meeting. I just got home from Town Hall. It was so good. I would highly recommend it to anyone who's on the keto diet, paleo, or any even dietary restriction, or even gluten-free, or just anyone who really likes good food. It was so good, and I will say, I had their fried chicken sandwich, and it tasted very similar to the Chick-fil-A sandwich. Not as good, but keto good. It was really good. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you guys for following another day with me, and I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning. Hey guys, good morning. I did my makeup this morning off camera because I figured you've seen it the last couple of days, but I will show you my outfit. So today I'm wearing these Dick's leggings, and they're just army green, and then I paired it with a Nike sports top, and then I have Nike sportswear underneath. I threw in some chunky silver diamonds, my Pandora bracelet, and yeah, that's what I'll be wearing today. Let's head to school. All right, so I just pulled in my driveway. I got my Dunkin', and I tried something different that I've never had before. It's one of their unsweetened flavor shots. I got the French vanilla, and then I just had almond milk instead of the regular milk they use. And It was not very good. I'm not like a big like strong coffee person, and it's really strong, like no sugar at all, which I knew, but I thought the flavor shot would have helped a little bit, but it definitely did not. So I didn't like that very much. However, I think I'm gonna go inside and doctor it up a little bit with my stuff that I have at home, so maybe it'll taste a little better. But anyway, so tonight I have my cheer awards banquet. So I'm gonna go inside. I have so much homework to do, which is making me very upset. However, after I do that, I will go to my cheer awards banquet, which will be fun. And then I might grab dinner with some friends. And Melanie would be one of those friends that you've met before. So that would be fun. But we'll see what happens. And we'll see if I get all my work done. So yeah, I'll see you inside. All right, I am inside. I'm ready to do my homework. I have everything laid out in front of me. I have my planner, my computer, and my notes. Oh, and I did fix my coffee. I added some keto sugar and some more milk to it, and it tastes better. It's not good, but I can drink it. I can tolerate it. It's fine. But yeah, I have so much homework to do, so I'm just gonna jump in and get this done so then I don't have to do any after my cheer awards. That's the plan. Alright guys, so I just finished getting ready for my cheer awards. I have these big hoop earrings on, a little gold diamond necklace, some bangles, a big statement ring, and my orange dress. It's actually a romper, they're actually shorts. But yeah, super cute. And then I'll wear some suede brown heels, I think. Yeah, so that's the look for tonight. I'll insert some footage or at least some pictures in here from tonight. And I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so it's after cheer awards. I'm here with my friends Melanie and Sammy and Marissa. And we're just gonna eat some food and I will see you guys at home. Bye. Hey guys, so I just got home from dinner. It was so nice and we had a lot of fun. So I hope you guys have enjoyed following my week. I'm not gonna vlog tomorrow, which is Friday, because I'm not really doing anything. I'm just gonna be chilling out. It's been kind of a long week, so I'm looking forward to it. This weekend I'm going to my lake house, which will be super fun. And I'd like to film a lot of videos there this summer, so let me know if you would like to see something like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.